headlines. COVID-19 pandemic most challenging crisis since World War II, says UN chief. Assam MP caught in Nizamuddin religious congregation fiasco. Thoba launches COVID-19 challenger for people undergoing home quarantine. And give all workers full pay, don't cut wages, says Maharashtra government. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. The coronavirus pandemic has infected more than 8 lakh people all over the world, with the global death toll crossing 40,000. The total number in the US, with 3,400 deaths from COVID-19, has surpassed China's official toll of 3,305. Close to 1,75,000 have been infected across the United States. The US, Italy, Spain, China and Germany are now the 5 most affected countries in terms of number of confirmed cases. In India too, the number of novel coronavirus cases continue to climb. According to the Union Health Ministry, there were 1,238 active cases in the country, while 35 people have succumbed to the disease as on March 31st. At a time when entire Assam is in the grip of panic after the Nizamuddin post, it has come to light that a parliamentarian from the state has also visited the holy site in Delhi recently. It is learned that Kokrajhar MP Naba Sarania has recently visited Nizamuddin. Sarania took to his Facebook account to confess about his visit to the holy site after the Assam government came up with the list of people from the state who were present during the religious congregation organized by Tablighi Jamaat at Nizamuddin. According to reports, Sarania had visited Nizamuddin in the morning of March 14 last. However, Sarania clarified that he did not attend the religious congregation and revealed that he had gone to Nizamuddin to meet an accomplice named Huzail Ahmed. Later, after coming back to the state, Sarania took part in several election rallies across BTAD till March 21st last. Notably, 93 people who had attended the religious congregation at Nizamuddin have tested positive for coronavirus. Altogether, 16 residents of different areas of Assam's Darang district who had attended the religious congregation of Tablighi Jamaat in Nizamuddin in Delhi were brought to Mangalday Civil Hospital late last evening. As per media reports, a joint team of medical police and executive magistrate have brought these pilgrims from different block PHC locations of the district, including Kharupetia, Sipajhar and Jaljali. Reports of identification of many other pilgrims related to Nizamuddin event and their subsequent medical checkup was also received. In one such instance, a joint team of medical and administration have also brought 17 pilgrims from Kachomari, Shampur area to Dalgaon police station on last night and were later shifted to hospital for necessary medical attention as informed by locals. Following directions issued by the state government yesterday issued all private establishments, factories, companies and shops stating that they would not cut wages of their workers, including contract, casual and outsourced. The move is aimed at providing relief to workers affected by the national lockdown to tackle the coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak, as per a media report. Chief Secretary Ojoy Mehta issued the orders exercising powers confirmed to him as chairperson of the State Executive Committee under Section 24 of the Disaster Management Act 2005. All workers, including contract, casual, outsourced, temporary, daily wage workers of all private establishments, factories, companies, shops, excluding essential services, who have been impacted by COVID-19 and are staying at home should be considered on duty. They should be paid complete wages and allowances, Mehta said. Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal, Nongmaithem Bandana, has launched a home delivery service called COVID-19 Challenger for the people of Thoubal who are undergoing home quarantine. The service will be handled by volunteers of NYK Thoubal, Red Cross Society, Thoubal and Thoubal District Police. Dedicated mobile numbers of this service is 8415023722. DC Bandana said that the service will limit the movement by people who are in quarantine.
Red Cross Society members, district police team, district administration, home maris the Punjan Jaraga City delivery service Tauzabani, Masdeda home delivery service free the pizza gani, and the City Hona Tauzariba home delivery service na focus Tauzanibase, home quarantine Tamamusing said, Yum Topidana, especially Moy Yum Topidana, essential items to Luna contact Hamzariba phone number, and they say the Hibiraga, Mogi, a while pass the Luna Quida Hibiro, a Quina Atuba Matamda, same day the Quina Madu, Pidam Ponazagani.
It's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching.
Sangai Services Private Limited, Yellow Mida Tabak Pirasi, Tabakta Chilau Tirosi. Adomadom na mayok nariba awaba singadu kohan nabagi damak laizare, Sangai Services Private Limited. Yum gimi yam na laizade haibagi awaba lebiganu, Yum gi darkar oiba tabak thoram sing taubina ba sinmi nekpage khudong chaba phungbigani. Manipur da ahan bo oina yam na hong na amadi yam na laina phone call amakhakna darkar oiba sinmi nekpa yabagi khudong chaba pijariba Sangai Services Private Limited ne. Pung kharagi amadi nongmagi waibagi khudong chaba su pijari. Pijariba service singdi any type of construction, driver and home tutor available, housekeeping and house cleaning, pest control, catering service, electrician, carpenter, plumber, electronic repairing, haibadi, fridge, AC, water purifier asina chingbasing semjari, amadi, any type of labors available. Akupamoral gidama contact tobiyu, Sangai Services Private Limited, Uripok Torang Mamlekai, Manipur 795001. Aikogi contact number 7005071 natraga 70055112624. Aikogi email ID sangaiservices@gmail.com. Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau phongbiragani. Sangbrai pambidagi sungba organic oiraba amadi side effect leitraba thau asina hiram kayada kanaba piri. Nungsang, laikoi, haksang chikpa, laihau, apomba, puri, samkenba, tonsil na chingba kaya laying bada kanaba piri. Thau si thakpadi yade. Akupa moral gidama contact tobiyu Sangbrai Thau Kyamgai Maning Laikai. Contact number 9366949811.
Welcome back. Under the supervision of Imphal East Adhyaksha P. Bimola, daily essential commodities were distributed to residents of Nilakuti Zilla Parishad, Kontha Khabam Zilla Parishad and Luang Shabam Zilla Parishad at her residence today. P. Bimola said that daily basic items were distributed to the residents to ease their inconveniences to some extent during the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown and curfew. She also urged all to stay at home in view of the coronavirus pandemic.
Yenba matamda aikogi voter haiba tare aikogi mi mamda par voter amada lupa cheng kg manga adu masi napsagi kat paiba khakta yeli yende adu koi barada laiba adu mayam so many thing complaint mayam sina maram urakanda aina picture aga su aigi area sida laiba aikogi samna lamnungai mantri pukhi je aigi area chingi adu asida sok yam gai koi barada mantri pukhi lamnungai haisdi mayam dum hena khangnari duni.
Patsoi Youth Development Association distributed essential goods to every household of Patsoi Part 3 yesterday during the total lockdown. RK Fortune Developer Private Limited Managing Director Rajkumar Rameshwar handed over edible items to different local clubs in Patsoi constituency today. In connection to this, United Club Organization Changangai convener Taurem Sarat said that the gesture will help the people of Patsoi constituency at this hour of crisis.
Hariba asigumlaba social worker asina siraba tanja asida songthok piratuna nomadagi charagi orgasu नत्रगा नुमित निनी हुमनी की ओरगसु मतेंग पांगबिबा कितंग पांगबिरकपा सिगिदमतेदी हाइरबा सोशल वर्कर असि अदुगी मतिक हाइनिंगाय लेतना अखोगी वनरबा मिपुम खुदिमंगना महापु थागतपा फोंदोकपगा लोनना अखोइबो महापु माना तरुबा थबक थोरम खुदिमकता माइपाकपा ओइसनु हाइना अखोगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन साइडगी अमदी यूनाइटेड कमिटी की साइडगी लोनना प्रजा मिपुम खुदिमंगना आबु हराउ तरामना
Kwakta Municipal Council Chairperson Meena Ranjan and social activist Anwar Ali distributed edible items and cash to 41 migrant workers at Kwakta Municipal Council, Ward number 7.
আর মণিপুর আমাদের গভর্নমেন্ট মণিপুরের সরকারকেও কিছু বলতে চাই, যেটা হচ্ছে যে আমাদের অনেক হেল্প করছেন, হয়তো অন্য অন্য জায়গায় কিছু করতো না, কিন্তু আমাদেরকে একটু গভর্নমেন্ট দেখুক, আমাদেরকেও একটু নিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য সুবিধা করে ব্যবস্থা করে দেখ।
We are helping too much for our brothers from Bengal, from district of Murshidabad. Requested to the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, to help this helpless, those migrant workers who are from Murshidabad, West Bengal. Till now we are helping too much from our own efforts with the help of our chairperson and with some social workers.
Donations continue to flow into the Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund from different sections of the society. Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren Singh has thanked all individuals and organizations who have generously donated to the Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund. Biren also expressed hope that more organizations and people would come forward to extend help in fighting COVID-19. We'll take another short break. Keep watching.
Khanghanjaba lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na hojik oiriba khudong chadba kaya sigi yenglaga miyam gi damak hospital asigi maternity ward pung kunmari hangduna miyam gi thawal tawjaragani adumakpu hospital asigi atopa department sing di service lepchugani hospital asida laktunge mamangda makhada pizariba contact number asida hanana appointment lobiu amadi patient ka miyoi amadagi hena loina biraktanaba khanghanjari ba lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate, Kombinai Kaitel, contact number 8258967890.
Welcome back. As a preventive measure against COVID-19 pandemic, the Manipur government has erected fans on border pillar number 79 and border pillar number 80 and other places along the Manipur sector of Indo-Myanmar border. The move will prevent entry of illegal migrants into the state from Myanmar. Under the supervision of Tengnoupal District Deputy Commissioner and District Superintendent of Police, fences have been put up in various lanes near Moray Gate number 2. However, sources said border fencing work has been halted at Muslim Basti area and Sunrise Ground on Indo-Myanmar border after interruption from Myanmar authority. Unidentified persons suspected to be a militants planted a bomb at the post of 113 BSF located at Wangjing Tikcham Lekai under Thobal police station yesterday. According to a report, 3 children who were playing there spotted the bomb, following which they informed the BSF personnel at the post. On receiving the news, a team of Thobal District Police arrived at the scene and barricaded the area before retrieving the bomb, which was later defused by a bomb disposal squad from Imphal. Star Wars actor Andrew Jack has died in Britain as a result of the coronavirus, his agent said today. He was 76. The actor, who also worked as a dialect coach, died in a hospital in Surrey on Tuesday, Jack's agent Jill McCullough said in a statement, a media report said. Jack appeared in Star Wars Episode 8, The Last Jedi as General Imat, as well as Solo, A Star Wars Story, and Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens. His wife, Gabrielle Rogers, who is quarantined in Australia, posted on social media. Andrew Jack was diagnosed with coronavirus 2 days ago. He was in no pain and he slipped away peacefully, knowing that his family was all with him. England's World Cup winning star Jos Buttler has auctioned his 3 Lions shirt to help to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. According to reports, Buttler said the fund raised from the auction will be used towards providing life-saving equipment to help those infected during the novel coronavirus outbreak. Jose Butler took to social media to announce the campaign and tagged the likes of Virat Kohli, Steve Smith, Rohit Sharma and Shane Warne to spread the message. Butler said the England shirt that will be auctioned has been signed by all of his World Cup winning teammates. The post has already attracted more than 150 beats and generated more than £65,000 as of April 1st. And now the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express.
3 Nizamuddin returnees taken to Jennings with fever. Coronavirus, 10 deaths linked to Nizamuddin meet. Langtabar clubs put riders for quarantine facility. Many more donate to COVID-19 relief fund.
The People's Chronicle.
12 state natives attended Delhi religious event. FIR registered against Jamaat, CB to probe. Health Minister distributes health kits. Many justify action against lockdown violators. COCOM calls for fighting COVID-19 unitedly. Riders set on resettlement of Chasad village.
Imphal Free Press.
Coronavirus outbreak. 24 test positive after Nizamuddin event in Delhi. 10 people from Manipur attended Jamaat at Nizamuddin in Delhi. Home Department issues operating procedure for supply of essential commodities. Now, before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. COVID-19 pandemic most challenging crisis since World War II, says UN chief. Assam MP caught in Nizamuddin religious congregation fiasco. Thoba launches COVID-19 challenger for people undergoing home quarantine. And give all workers full pay, don't cut wages, says Maharashtra government. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.